Welcome to the kitchen. I got a meal prep recipe for you guys today. It is lime chicken quinoa bowls. So, ingredients here, we got 36 ounces of chicken, or 2 pounds and 4 ounces. So we got that. I weighed that out earlier. Some chili powder, minced garlic, half cup of fresh cilantro, half of a white onion, chopped, lime juice, 30 ounces of black beans, this is 30 and a half ounces between the cans, and then some quinoa. This is my go-to carb right now. I absolutely love it. Way more nutrients and fiber than rice, so this is a lot better. I like the texture too, so you should give it a try. And these are really convenient because it comes in just separate bags. So you just boil the bag actually in the microwave in a quart of water. So in one whole bag, it's 6 grams of fat, 50 grams carbs, and 12 grams of protein. So there's a lot more protein in this than rice too. And it gives more color to your food if you're really into that. So we'll need 3 bags of these, since that's 1.5 cups. So what you do with these, we'll start with these actually, since it takes 15 minutes for each bag. So I'll put one in right away. Submerge it in the water, 1 quart of water. Then hit it in the microwave. Okay, that first quinoa is going. So now I got my baking sheet here and my food scale. Got the oven preheated to 375. So now, since this is gonna make 6 servings, I'm gonna separate the 36 ounces of chicken into 6-ounce piles. So I got it all cut up already beforehand, so I didn't have to do it while recording this. All right. Okay, 6 ounces. So I'll do this, make 6 piles, and I'll be back. Okay, now I have the chicken all separated. 6-ounce piles. So then I'm gonna throw the onion in the oven with the chicken. This will help. You don't need to weigh this out at all. This will help give the chicken more flavor and prevent it from drying out. It shouldn't dry out anyway, as long as you don't overcook it. People just tend to overcook it because they're so scared that it's gonna be undercooked. So I'm just gonna top it, kind of guess. Then I'll also throw the garlic and chili powder on there as well. Okay, and for the chili powder, I'm just gonna guess. Just depends how spicy you like it, I guess, how much seasoning you want. Whatever you prefer. You don't have to worry about the chicken piles being exactly 6 ounces. If one's 5.9 and one's 6.1, that's totally fine. You're not gonna get fat. Got this. All right, got the garlic on there, chili powder, the onions. Now, put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And then, I'll be back. Okay, we are back. The quinoa, done, all 3 bags in here. We got the 6 servings of chicken breast back there, that'll come later. So now we're just gonna add to the quinoa, we're gonna add the fresh cilantro, add all that in there. Then the 2 15-ounce cans of black beans, I rinsed those out, so then they're ready to go, just throw in here. That's good to go. Now we'll just mix this all up. I dropped a bean somewhere. I'll find it later. Okay, now that we got this all evenly distributed pretty well, I'm gonna put it in our meal prep containers here. You can weigh them out or just eyeball it. I don't know. I need to be perfect. I don't know why, but it just feels good to know they're all exactly the same. You don't have to do it though. It'll probably just stress you out. Okay, got that all evenly split up. It was about 190 grams per container. So now I already know that each of these chicken piles is 6 ounces. So I'll just throw it in to there each individual one. Pretty simple. Okay, so we got that. Suppose I could break up the chicken a little bit. Could have did that on the pan, but I didn't think ahead. I'm not smart enough, I guess. I've actually never made this recipe before, so I'm really excited to try it. I think it's gonna be good. Looks dang good. I don't know how you could go wrong. Chicken, quinoa, onion, garlic, cilantro. Cilantro might be my favorite. Okay, and then lime juice. Just kind of guess with it. I don't count these calories. They don't matter too much. If you're trying to count lime juice calories, that's excessive. Done. Simple as that. You got 6 meals. The macros for each container. Here we go. The macros are, what do we got? 514 calories, 65 grams of protein, 50 grams carbs, and 6 grams of fat. So that'll save you a lot of fat for your other meals in the day. Unless you could also add cheese to it, even just some, like a tablespoon of olive oil or, yeah, sour cream. Just account for it. Track it, and you'll know. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna eat one of these now, and I will put the other ones away in my Fitmark. Fitmark's my, I guess I've had Fitmark stuff for about 5 years now, actually, already, and I just decided to get a code for you guys for 15% off. You can get anything you want. They have these Tupperwares. They have, we got the cooler. So this is really nice. And they also have just gym bags and travel bags, everything you could possibly need. But I mainly recommend them for meal prep because these containers are nice size. Like, we put a lot in there and it's still only half full. So that's what I really like about it. But yeah, give this recipe a try. I'm gonna plate this guy up right here. I'll probably add some spinach for some extra fiber. So also in each one of these, it is 8 grams of fiber from the beans and quinoa. So that's good. You need your fiber. Guys, 30 to 35 grams. Ladies, 20 to 25 grams. So shoot for those, and I will see you next time in the meal prep video.